Hello there, ladies, gentlemen, and everybody. Here it is, the Rodzilla. Welcome back to Metal Gear Solid. In the last episode, we fought Silver the Hedgehog, and in this episode, we are going to go through this gate that Psycho Mantis opened for us, and I have no freaking clue what to expect from now on. And considering how this game has gone so far, I expect the worst, because I've come to the realization that I suck at this game.
Could there be wolves in there?
Wolf dogs. Half wolf, half husky.
How do you know so much?
I ride dog sleds. I'm a musher.
I'll take point. Snake, you follow me.
And I can already tell you guys that this part is going to suck, because this is the second time that I am recording this part of the game. Because the first time that I was recording, a lot of stuff happened, and I was unable to, properly deal with the game, and I had problems. I had several problems recording the game. My family arrived. I had to go talk to them and stuff. There are a couple of things that I have not tried yet. So let's see if this actually works. But like I said, this is the second time I'm doing this, and oh, so the wolves actually do not realize I'm a human because I am. Oops, never mind. I stand corrected. I'm not gonna kill the wolves. I'm just going to try to. I'm pressing the wrong button. I'm still pressing the wrong button. There we go. I really don't feel like being evil to these animals. Ow. But it has to be done because, oh my god, where am I even going right now? Get out. Where's the opening? Yeah, it's right here. Ow. Can I actually go into the passage right now? Ow. This sucked. Okay. Did I go the wrong way? Diazepam. What the hell does this do? Anti-anxiety drug. Temporarily stops involuntary trembling. Ah. And why would I need this? Some ration, this is good. I actually came the wrong way. This was not the way I was supposed to come. But it's all good because I found something new. Oh, the wolves are here. There has to be... There it is. Come at me, bruh. Come at me. Is this the way? Yes, it is. Okay. Oh god, where am I going? Okay. So I actually found myself in this area pretty easily this time. And there's a baby wolf here that loves Meryl. Oh fuck. They're all here.
Snake, what's wrong? I thought you were good with dogs.
Oh, you sassy bitch. I cannot pick up the ration because I already have too many. Is this the way? Yes, it is. This was the part that I had to stop recording because my family arrived, so from now on, it is blind again.
I'll take point again. Stay back, okay?
But the radar isn't working. And since we can't use the mine detector either...
Leave it to me.
We can't use the mine detector because we don't have a mine detector. The last time I actually found the mines was through the infrared, the thermal detector. What is this, some Undertale shit right here?
So, what do you think? Pretty good, huh?
How did you know where the mines were?
It sounds weird, but when Mantis dove into my mind, I was able to see where the mines were placed. Are you impressed?
Well, a little bit.
Only a little?
You're one sassy motherfucker. Let's see if this works. This is just... Well! This is easy. Okay, I have the feeling that... Okay, I can just go here. Alright. This is how you break a game. Uh-oh.
What is it?
Oh. Straight to the leg. Oh, she dead. She dead. Well, that is three. She's definitely dead. If she doesn't die, she dead.
Snake, leave me and run.
Meryl!
I guess I am a rookie after all.
Don't worry, Meryl. It's me they want.
Even I know that. It's the oldest trick in the book. The sniper's using me for bait to lure you out.
Damn.
Shoot me, Snake.
Nope.
My gun. I can't reach it by myself.
Don't move.
I promised. I wouldn't slow you down. I can still help. I want to help you.
Quiet down. Save your strength.
I was a fool. I wanted to be a soldier. But war is ugly. There's nothing glamorous about it. Snake, please save yourself. Go on living and don't give up on people. Don't forget me. Now get out of here.
Meryl! Damn. Snake, it's a trap.
Oh, no
Snipers
shit.
will lure you out. The sniper's waiting for you to go and help Meryl, so he can pick you off. Don't do it.
Must be Sniper Wolf, Foxhound's best shooter.
Snipers usually work in pairs, but this one's alone, huh?
I know her. She can wait for hours, days, or weeks. It doesn't matter to her. She's just watching and waiting for you to expose yourself.
Maybe so, but Meryl can't hold out that long.
Snake, can you see Wolf from where you are?
There's nowhere to hide between here and the tower. She must be on the second floor of the tower.
If Wolf is in the communications tower, she can see you perfectly. It's the classic sniper's position. At that distance, you won't be able to hit her with a standard weapon either. You'll need a sniper rifle.
Colonel, take it easy. I'm gonna save Meryl no matter what it takes.
Okay. Thanks.
What's wrong, Naomi?
Nothing. I'm just surprised you're willing to sacrifice yourself. You got the genes of a soldier, not a savior.
You trying to say that I'm only interested in saving my own skin?
I wouldn't go that far, but
Yep.
I don't know what the hell my genes look like, and I don't care. I operate on instinct.
like an animal?
I'm going to save Meryl. I don't need an excuse.
Okay.
And I'm not doing it for someone else either. I'm gonna save Meryl for myself. Colonel, don't worry.
Snake, thanks.
I understand. I'm sorry.
Oh, fuck. I have... Ooh, boy. Oh my god, how am I going to... Oh my god, she's losing health! Okay, okay. How do I... Ah! Okay, I have no idea. Okay.
Snake, Meryl's in danger. Find a sniper rifle so you can shoot back at Wolf. It's the only way to save Meryl.
But she's losing health, bro. And there is no... Whoa, okay. I need a ration. I got a mine. I actually got the mine. Oh god. Okay, this is an assault rifle. But Meryl is losing health. How am I gonna do this? Do I really have to... Oh goodness. Oh my god. I was not supposed to do that. My cell phone's going off. But... God damn it. Where can I freaking find a sniper rifle? Let's... Okay. Okay, so this is actually a safe position. Let me assess the situation. Scope. There you are, you little bitch. Well, you can't hit me from there. You cannot. So, I'm going to leave this video here. On that side of Sniper Wolf, she actually is a hottie, and I really want to know her better. But I'll save it for next time. If you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't talked to me on social media. I'm gonna love meeting you in there, and don't you ever forget, do not be a chump, be a champ.
Snake, Meryl's in danger. Find a sniper rifle so you can shoot back at Wolf. It's the only way to save Meryl.
I know, brother. Don't you worry about that, because I am fully aware. And look at where her scope is. See you guys next time, because I am